Hey guys, good morning. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I hope you're doing well today. I wanted to show you a 2016 Pete Pride and Class Edition glider kit. Extremely hard to find. It's only got 268,000 original miles, about 100,000 miles on a complete $25,000 overhaul. It does have a pre-E-Log 12.7 Detroit, 13 speed, 355s. Got new rubber on the back. Just polished, just cleaned up, detailed. Gonna show you a blow-by oil pressure. It's gotten hot this morning, so you'll see it at operating temp. Let's get rolling. Super clean underneath, no oil leaks. Southern truck, no rust. Love the extra chrome on the Pride and Class series. Polished fenders. Really nice, clean. Back of the cab, no dings. Body and paint's in excellent shape. Till it's clean underneath as well. Excellent brakes, new rubber. Take a look at the inside now. Extremely clean on the inside too. Somebody took care of it. Pride and Class seats. Never even took the plastic off the back. There's your clock there. Oil pressure is extremely good on the low side. Jump cylinder up there, extremely responsive. Alright guys, well I appreciate you watching. If you got questions on anything, you can text me or call me at 901-896-4526 or email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.